Preparing an abstract for creative wood art and home decoration business. 1. Define your vision. Outline the core mission of your business. What unique perspective do you bring to wood art and home decor? Consider your artistic style and the emotions you want to evoke in your customers. 2. Market research. Analyze current trends in home decoration and wood art. Identify your target audience. What are their preferences and purchasing behaviors? Look for gaps in the market that your business can fill. 3. Unique selling proposition (USP). Determine what sets your wood art apart. This could be the use of reclaimed materials, custom designs, or a focus on sustainability. Highlight these elements in your abstract. 4. Product line development. Outline the types of wood art you will offer, such as wall art, geometric, nature-inspired; functional art, shelves, coat racks; seasonal decorations; personalized pieces, family trees, custom signs. 5. Sourcing materials. Identify suppliers for high-quality wood and other materials. Consider eco-friendly options or local sources to promote sustainability. 6. Branding strategy. Develop a cohesive brand identity. This includes your business name, logo, color palette, and overall aesthetic, which should resonate with your target market. 7. Marketing plan. Create a strategy for promoting your business. Use social media, online platforms, and local craft fairs to showcase your work. Consider content marketing through blogs or video tutorials. 8. Sales channels. Decide where to sell your products. Options include online marketplaces, Etsy, Amazon Handmade; your own website; local boutiques or art galleries. 9. Pricing strategy. Establish a pricing model that reflects the value of your work while remaining competitive. Consider costs for materials, labor, and marketing. 10. Preparation for launch. Set a timeline for your business launch. Prepare your inventory, create marketing materials, and plan an online or in-person launch event. 11. Feedback and adaptation. After your launch, gather customer feedback to refine your offerings and approach. Stay flexible and adapt to changing market demands. By organizing these elements into a clear abstract, you can effectively communicate your business concept, attract potential investors or partners, and lay a solid foundation for your creative wood art venture. How can I determine my target audience's preferences for wood art? Determining your target audience's preferences for wood art involves a combination of research and engagement. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Market research. Analyze competitors. Study similar businesses to see what types of wood art are popular. Look at their customer reviews and social media engagement. Trend analysis. Follow trends in home decor and craftsmanship through platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and design blogs to identify what styles and themes are currently in demand. 2. Surveys and questionnaires. Create surveys to gather direct feedback from potential customers. Ask about their preferences in styles, colors, sizes, and types of wood art they're interested in. 3. Social media engagement. Use social media platforms to showcase different designs and solicit feedback. Post polls or ask questions in your stories to gauge interest. Join relevant groups or forums where wood art enthusiasts gather to discuss trends and preferences. 4. Focus groups. Organize small focus groups with individuals who represent your target audience. Discuss their preferences and gather insights into their buying motivations. 5. Customer feedback. If you already have a customer base, actively seek their opinions on your existing products. This can help you refine your offerings based on what resonates with them. 6. Online analytics. Use tools like Google Analytics on your website to track which products attract the most interest. Analyze visitor demographics and behavior to understand your audience better. 7. Attend craft shows and markets. Participate in local craft fairs or art shows to interact with potential customers. Observe which products draw attention and engage in conversations about their preferences. 8. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with home decor influencers who can provide insights into their audience's preferences and help promote your wood art. 9. Review platforms. Check platforms like Etsy or Amazon for customer reviews on wood art products. Pay attention to what customers appreciate or dislike. 10. Experiment and adapt. Launch a variety of designs and styles and monitor sales and feedback. Adapt your offerings based on what resonates most with your audience. By employing these strategies, you can gain valuable insights into your target audience's preferences and tailor your wood art business accordingly. How can I create effective surveys to gather customer preferences? Creating effective surveys to gather customer preferences involves careful planning and thoughtful question design. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Define your objectives. Clearly outline what you want to learn from the survey. This might include preferences on styles, colors, sizes, or specific types of wood art. 2. Choose the right platform. Select a survey platform that is user-friendly and allows for easy distribution, such as Google Forms, SurveyMonkey, or Typeform. 3. Keep it short and focused. Aim for 5 to 10 questions to respect your respondents' time. Focus on key areas of interest to keep participants engaged. 4. Use a mix of question types. Multiple choice. Great for quantifying preferences, e.g., which style do you prefer? Rating scales. Use a scale, e.g., 1 to 5, to gauge the importance of different features. Open-ended. Allow space for respondents to share additional thoughts or suggestions. Demographic questions. Include optional questions about age, location, and lifestyle to better understand your audience. 5. Be clear and concise. Use straightforward language and avoid jargon. Ensure that each question is easy to understand. 6. Use visuals when possible. If applicable, include images of different wood art styles to help respondents visualize their preferences. 7. Incentivize participation. Consider offering a small incentive, such as a discount or entry into a raffle, to encourage more responses. 8. Test the survey. Before launching, test the survey with a small group to identify any confusing questions or technical issues. 9. Promote the survey. Share the survey link through various channels such as social media, your website, email newsletters, and at events. 10. Analyze the results. Once responses are collected, analyze the data to identify trends and preferences. Use visualizations like charts or graphs to summarize findings. 11. Follow up. Thank participants for their time, and consider sharing insights or results with them. This can help build a community around your brand. By following these steps, you can create effective surveys that yield valuable insights into your customers' preferences, helping you tailor your wood art offerings to meet their needs. Thank you for watching our video on preparing an abstract for your creative wood art and home decoration business. We hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring as you embark on your artistic journey. Remember, defining your vision, understanding your target audience, and crafting a solid business plan are crucial steps in turning your passion into a thriving enterprise. Don't forget to engage with your audience, gather feedback, and adapt your offerings to stay relevant in the market. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more creative business tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your own wood art projects and any challenges you might be facing. Stay creative, and until next time, happy crafting.